Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. I still see a lot of adjustment of status or AOS applicants receive RFE on this very important requirement. That's what we will talk about today. We at Visa Harmony, we provide assistance with certain immigration petitions and applications like the adjustment of status. Our service fees are very affordable. I will put our contact information in the description box. If you are thinking of filing for adjustment of status, make sure to check that the petitioner's income is enough for the Affidavit of Support form. This is a major requirement for the AOS because it shows that the petitioner will be able to financially support the beneficiary here in the USA. I will also put in the description box the link to the poverty guidelines. It lists down the minimum required income depending on the household size and state of residence. Let's say, for example, I live in Florida. For a household of 3, me, my husband, and 1 minor child, the minimum required income is $28,787 US. To check if the petitioner's income is enough, you need to look at the total income in the most recent income tax returns. It is now 2022. So the most recent income tax return is 2021. For the 2021 income tax return, this item is in line number 9. If you have other adjustments and that the total income is not the same as the adjusted gross income, you can look at the adjusted gross income, but for most cases, the total income is fine. The total income should be equal or greater than the minimum required income listed in the poverty guidelines. If the petitioner's income did not meet the minimum required income, check if there are other supplemental income or assets that can be added in the Affidavit of Support form. I will link a video that we created on how to use assets or savings in the Affidavit of Support form. If there are no savings or assets to add, you will need a joint sponsor. A joint sponsor is anyone who is at least 18 years old, either a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident, and has enough income. The joint sponsor doesn't have to be a relative or live in the same state, as long as the joint sponsor is willing to sign the Affidavit of Support form and provide the required documents. Just to recap, before you file for adjustment of status, you need to check if the petitioner's income is enough, or if there are savings or assets to include, or find a joint sponsor. You need to plan this out the first time so you do not have to struggle to figure out the Affidavit of Support form requirements when USCIS sends you a request for evidence or RFE letter on this. I hope this video provides clarification on this topic. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.